So next, maintenance of mooring equipment on tankers. Brake testing. Mooring equipment on board should be maintained in good working condition so as to secure safety in mooring operations. Planned maintenance schedules include a requirement for annual brake testing of all mooring winches using the test kit provided on board. This includes testing brake holding power, rendering an adjustment to ensure rendering of mooring winch brakes at optimum stress to reduce the risk of injury from an overstressed mooring. So, you should conduct a brake testing to ensure that the mooring equipment is at good working condition. Next, replacement of wires, ropes, and tails on tankers. For all mooring ropes, wires, tails, and shackles, a record of certificates, replacement date, and specific winch to which they are fitted, it is to be maintained. The PMS procedure includes inspection intervals for all mooring equipment and also covers end-to-end and renewal procedures. Specific intensive vessel trading patterns may warrant to more frequent change of spares such as mooring rope tails. Such interval may be shorter than that prescribed in UCI IMF guidelines. Standards for replacing mooring wires on some tankers designated as below. So, on head and stern lines, you should replace it when it reaches 7.5 years and reversing end to end when it reaches for about 3.75 years. On spring and breast lines, we should replace it when it reaches 5 years and reverse end to end for over 2.5 years. Next, maintenance of mooring equipment on container ships. The characteristic of mooring ropes below mentioned in use should be acknowledged by all staffs who are engaged in the mooring operation. So first is the material and type of thread. So you should know the material and type of thread of the mooring ropes. And the safe working loads of the mooring ropes, stretching ratio, anti-abrasion, water tightness, water tightness against seawater, and etc. So in conclusion, for all mooring ropes, a record of certificates, replacement date, and specific winches to which they are fitted is to be maintained. If mooring ropes are observed that it has a major damage or heavy corrosion, we should report it to the company for replacement. So that would be all for our report. I hope that you've learned something. Thank you for listening.